Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic number bases and this is the fourth video on number bases. In the second video, we learned how to convert numbers from other bases to base 10. In the third video, we learned how to convert numbers from base 10 to other bases. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert numbers between two non-decimal bases, that is, between two bases that are not base 10. So, conversion between two non-decimal bases. Remember, we said that a decimal base means base 10. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to convert numbers from one base to another base that are not base 10. So to convert a number from one non-decimal base to another non-decimal base, the first thing you need to do is that first convert the number to base 10. Then convert the number from base 10 to the required base. Now let's pick some examples to understand what this means. So you are supposed to convert the following. So you are converting 11001 base 2 to base 8. 415 441 base 5 to base 6, 43 base 5 to base 2, then 307 base 8 to base 5. So this is what we do. Convert, you pick the first one, convert 111001 base 2 to base 8. The first thing we need to do is to first convert this number here, 111001 base 2. You convert it to base 10. Then we will convert our answer from base 10 to base 8. So that is what we are going to do. First, we convert 111001 base 2 to base 10. So we're converting this one to base 2. If you watch the second video, we said that you multiply each digit with the base. So we multiply each digit with the base, as you can see from here. Then we order them. So you order it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope that by this time you have picked a lot of examples on this, so you are conversant with what you are doing here. So 1 times 2 exponent 5 will give us 32. 1 times 2 exponent 4 will give us 16. 1 times 2 exponent 3 will give us 8. 0 times 2 exponent 4. 2 exponent 2 will give us 4. 0 times 2 exponent 1 will give us 2. 1 times 2 exponent 0 will give us 1. So this will give us 32. This will give us 16. 1 times 8 will give us 8. 0 times 4 will give us 4. 0 times 2 will give us 0 times 4 will give us 0. 0 times 2 will give us 0. 1 times 1 will give us 1. So we add everything here and we are getting 57. So you can see from here that we have converted 111001 base 2 to base 10. So we have now converted this to base 10. But the question is telling us to convert it to base 8. So this time we convert this answer here, 57. We convert it from base 10 to base 8. So we convert 57 base 10 to base 8. You know that if you are converting this to base 8, you draw your table like this, your 3-column table here. Then, you divide 57 by 8. So 57 divided by 8. That will give us 7 as our whole number here. So we write 7 here. Then, if you want the remainder, you know that 8 times 7 will give us 56. So 8 times 7 will give us 56. 8 times 7 will give us 56. Then you subtract 56 from 57 and we are getting a remainder of 1. Now we can see from here that the number here is 7. The one here is 8. It is less than this, so you are going to write it here. So we have now converted 57 to base 8, and in picking it, we know that we pick it in this manner, so we pick the answer as 71. So if you convert 57 from base 10 to base 8, you get 71. Now remember that we had 111001 base 2 and we converted that to 57. Now we have converted 57 to base 8, which means that we can say that 111001 base 2 is now 57 base 8. So you can see we have converted this number from base 2 to base 8. So to convert it, first convert this number here 111001 base 2, convert it to base 10. Then you convert your answer from base 10 to the base that you are given. So in this time you are given base 8, so you convert it from base 10 to base 8 as you have seen here. Let's pick the next example. We are converting 441 base 5 to base 6. So the first thing we need to do is to first convert 441 base 5 to base 10. So in converting that, we multiply 4 by 5, 4 by 5, then 1 by 5. Then you order the bases, so 0, 1, 2. So we multiply, we have 2 times 5 squared is 25, 4 times 5 raised to the power 1 is 5, plus 1 times 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. 4 times 25 will give us 100, 4 times 5 will give us 20, 1 times 1 will give us 1. You add them, you are getting 121. So if you convert 441 base 5 to base 10, you are going to have 121 base 10. Now you convert 121 to base 6, since the question is telling us to convert it to base 6, not base 10. If it had been to convert to base 10, then this will be our final answer. But you're saying that we should convert it to base 6. So we convert 121 to base 6. So you know that in converting 121 to base 6, you draw your table, you divide 121 by 6, and you are getting 20 points. So we are not worried about the decimal point. What we are worried about is the whole number. So we are having 20 whole number. The remainder is going to be 1. Since 6 times 20 will give us 120, then 120 minus 120, 121 minus 120 will give us 1 as the remainder. You divide 20 by 6, you are going to get 3 as the whole number and a remainder of 2. Since 6 times 3 will give us 18, 20 minus 18 will give us 2. Now the number here is smaller than the one here, so we write it as the last number here. So in picking this answer, you pick it as 321. So if you convert 121 base 10 to 3 to base 6, you are going to have 321 base 6. So we can now say that we have converted 441 base 5 to base 6, which is 321 base 6. Let's pick the next example. We are converting 43 base 5 to base 2. So what you have to do is now convert this base 5 numeral to base 10. So in converting it to base 10, you are going to have 4 times 5 plus 3 times 5. Then you order the bases, so 0, 1. So we have 4 times 5 exponent 1 is 5 plus 3 times 5 exponent 0 is 1. So 4 times 3 will give us 20. Sorry, 4 times 5 will give us 20. 3 times 1 will give us 3. You add them, you are going to get 23. So we can say that 43 base 5 is now 23. So you can see it's the same thing that we have been doing. So we keep on doing the same thing, we change nothing. Now we convert 23 to base 2. So in converting 23 to base 2, what you have to do is first divide 23 by 2. You will get a whole number of 11. The remainder is 2. Since 2 times 11 will give us 22. 23 minus 22 will give us 1. Next, you divide 11 by 2. Divide 11 by 2, you are going to get 11 divided by 2 will be 10. So it means that you are going to have a whole 11 divided by 2 will give us 5 as the whole number. So 5 will be the whole number. You multiply 5 by 2, you are going to get 10. You subtract 11 minus 10 will give us 1 as the remainder. You divide 5 by 2, you are going to get 2 as the whole number and a remainder of 1. Since 2 times 2 give us 4, 5 minus 4 will give us 1 as the remainder. You divide 2 by 2, you are getting 1 as the whole number and a remainder of 0. Since 1 is smaller than 2, you write it 1 here. So you are going to have 10111. So if you convert 23 to base 2, it's going to give you 10111 base 2. Which means that if you convert 43 base 5 to base 2, you are going to get 10111 base 2. Let's pick the last example. We are converting 307 base 8 to base 5. So the first thing we need to do is to convert 307 base 8 to base 10. So in converting it to base 10, we have 3 times 8 plus 0 times 8 plus 7 times 8. Then you order the bases. So we have 0, 1, 2. So you are going to have 3 times 8 squared will give us 64 plus 0 times 8 exponent 1 will give us 8 plus 7 times 8 exponent 0 will give us 1. So we have 3 times 64 to give us 192. 0 times 8 will give us 0. 7 times 1 will give us 7. You add everything here and we are getting 199. So if you convert 307 base 8 to base 10, you have 119. But we don't want our answer in base 10. We want it in base 5. So you convert 119 to base 5. If you are converting 119 to base 5, you draw your table as usual. You divide 199 by 5 and you are getting 39. So the remainder will give us 4. By this time, you should be conversant with how to find the remainder. Then you divide 39 by 5. You are getting a whole number of 7. The remainder is 4. Since 5 times 7 will give us 35. 39 minus 35 will give us 4. You divide 7 by 5. The whole number is 2. The remainder will give us 2. The whole number is 1. The remainder is 2. Now since 1 is smaller than 5, we write 1 here. So in picking our answer is 1, 2, 4, 4. So if you convert 119 base 10 to base 5, you have 1, 2, 4, 4 base 5. So we can say that if you are converting 307 base 8 to base 5, you are going to have 1, 2, 4, 4 base 5. Thank you for watching this video on conversion between two non-decimal bases. Pick more examples on this and try your hands on it using the principles that you have learned in this video. In the next video, we are going to learn how to order numbers that are not in base 10. That is, arrange numbers that are not in base 10 in ascending or descending order. Bye bye.